Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, as my title says, I'm going to be demonstrating to you how to do some quick fall arrangements. I've already set these up because I figured, hey, I don't have to wait to turn the camera on to show you these, because these are just candle holders and they have a very rustic look. I purchased these from Marshall's, $6.99 a piece. So I have glass candle holders. Most people would expect to see them in a wood kind of a holder, but I'm not that rustic lady. I love contemporary things. So here's my candle holders. So I have them sitting right there. And this was the only thing that I purchased this year for my fall decor. All my other things are things that I've just shopped my storage bin for taking out new things. Here I have some glass shells, and I'm just going to take them and put them in this vase. I got this, someone gave me this as a gift. It had flowers in it, fresh flowers, and I saved it. It's very weighty, which is very good, and it fits in with my decor as well, so I kept it. I am so grateful for that gift of flowers. And these flowers, guys, I've had for years. I purchased them from Pier 1. That's where I got these guys from. So I don't use them every year. I change my things around. And here we go. And guys, if this is the first time you've come to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Hit that subscription bell. Hit that bell down there, and you will always get the notifications when I come back on. So here we're going to put these in the center. I have them all ready. I have rubber bands around them. I put a cluster of 3 together. And see, if you take your things and you store them, put them away, they will always be fresh and new when you take them out. And if you haven't seen them in a long time, you'll be happy to see them when you do. Let's see, now it needs one over here. Some greenery right there, yeah. Okay, so voila, there you go. So now I have this etched glass bowl, and I was trying to, in my mind, think, do I want to put something in a bowl, or do I want to put these decorations in this vase? So I was thinking I'm going to use this as opposed to the dish, because really I don't know where I'm going to put this in the home. So I'm just going to sort of put that to the side for right now. I might change my mind later. You want to always keep your decorative pieces in the same packaging that you bought them in, so that you can take and store them back in that same container. So here's some dried out nuts. We're going to put those in there as well. So these are like nice fillers. You see that, guys? And let's get some greenery there. We don't want to be boring. Let's see, I know I have something. Oh, here. This is smaller. This piece here. So this is just like a little short tutorial, if you want to call it that. Let's see, I can put something else down there as well. And this too. That can go there. Yeah, somewhere there. And then, nah, that doesn't go there. This would be nice over here. Yeah, that goes there. So you gotta play with these things to see where they belong. Oh yeah, see there? That looks good. There you go. So voila, I can put another one. I think I have another one. Yeah, here's another one. Over to this side to give it a little balance. You have to play with these things. There you go. You have to play with them. Nope. Yeah, I like it. Yeah, I like it like that. Yeah, I like it going that way. Yeah. That's the way I like it. So yeah, so guys, here's one there for you. And then, as I said, if you would like to place these decorative items in a dish, that is also very accommodating. So these things are done. And the last thing, last but not least, this is a vase, Murano glass, and of course it is the fall color, which I love. Something that I also put away until I get ready to use it again. You know, don't be a hoarder. Don't be a clutterer where the home is so cluttered because you have everything out. Put things away and rotate your things. That's how I do to keep my home that it does not look cluttered, but it always looks spacious and the decor is always fresh. So remember that, guys. And thank you so much, the people who do subscribe to my channel. I love you guys. I thank you so much for your support all the time. And for those that view my videos, I thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. These are pussy willows, and I bought these branches about 3 years ago. I had some others and I placed them in water. When you put these in water, they will bloom. You will have flowers. But if you keep them just in a vase without water, they will stay like this. You don't have to purchase them again. And this is the third season, in other words, the third year that I've used these same pussy willows. And I store them also. I don't keep them in my home because, you know, all the time, because I want something fresh. I always like to keep the house fresh. So think about that, ladies. Keeping the house fresh. Put your things away. Rotate them according to season. Or if you're like me, when you get bored, you change up the decor. You can't change the furniture the way you can change your decor, but yeah. So I love this orange. It really is nice for the fall season. And I keep my things in the same packaging that I bought them in, because I always feel like I'm shopping, but I'm shopping in my own home. So shop your home. You don't have to always go to the store and buy something new. Put away your things, whether it's seasons or because you just got bored. So you always have something fresh. Yeah, there you go. Oh, there you go. Okay. So, okay, ladies. Here's what we did today. Let me see how, okay, that's correct. Okay, here's what we did today. And that's my fall decor. And that's all I have for you guys today. So come back again. Come back often. Like this video. Thumbs up on this video. That's if you like it. And don't forget to subscribe. Hit that bell down below. Subscribe to my channel. Love you guys. And I'll see you on